What's good, everybody? It's your girl Angela, aka Southern Comfort Glam. What's up, my glamettes? So I'm here today to bring you guys a new video. No, it's not a tutorial. It's not on this look that I'm wearing. No, if you guys want to see this look, want to see me recreate it, drop a comment down below in my comment section and let me know. But today I wanted to tell you guys I went to Sephora. Y'all know what I got? I'm about to show y'all what I got. Fenty Beauty. So, as you guys know, today the 11th, Fenty Beauty dropped some new products. 10 new foundations, I believe. Setting powders, I believe it's 8 of these. And I do not know how many concealers they have. Well, I went to Sephora. I couldn't resist. And I picked up a couple of things. So I got 2 concealers. And I got a setting powder. So my setting powder is in the shade Nutmeg. And I'll take that out in a minute. And I got 2 concealers in the shade of 410 and 480. Right now I wear 420 in Fenty Beauty. I didn't want to get something to match me exactly because I like to go lighter up underneath my eye. So first off, let's take these out of the package and appreciate the packaging. Let's see how that goes. Alright. And I want to take these out and I'm going to apply to as I take out. If I can freaking get it out. These things, they're hard to get out. Ooh, okay. Alright, so here it is. You guys can see. And it's 410. And it's got your typical doe foot applicator, which I like. Smell, just a generic smell. I'm not a fan of the smell, so I'll go ahead and say that. But yeah, let's go ahead and apply this puppy and see how it feels. I already have on foundation. I already got on Fenty Beauty. Like I said, I'm 420, so we're gonna apply this. Let's see. Okay. Hi, sis. I don't apply anything to my forehead. The simple fact that I have a large forehead. I don't want all the emphasis. So that is 410. I want to go ahead and take my Black Beauty Blender Pro and I'm going to spritz it. I like to put matte Fix Plus matte on my stuff because I like a matte look. So wet my sponge up real good. Let's see what this is going with. So let's see. I wanted to get the banana powder. That's what I was hearing from some other YouTubers here that had got their PR packaging, and they were saying like if you use Sasha Buttercup, which is what I like to use, that would be your go-to. Like the banana powder, excuse me, the banana shade in the Fenty Beauty powders would be your thing. So yeah, let's see. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna edit this video too much because I want this to just be raw and in depth. To be totally honest, like my total honest review, I ain't got nothing to hide. I paid for this with my own money, so let's go ahead and get that disclaimer right here. Ain't nobody paying me to do this. I'm just doing it for you guys, so you guys can know, you know, about this product before you probably go out and rush and get it. Shoot. I can honestly say your girl is shook. Like, oh my god, y'all see how that blends? Like, I'm not, alright. So, I have been using Tarte Shape Tape for a minute, and I noticed after using it for so long, it started to, I guess, kind of oxidize on my skin. And when I used it under my eyes, you could see a lot of my pores. It's like it was drying down too fast or something. I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. But anyway, so that's that. So let's dip into our contour shade, which I told you I have in 480. So let's check that out. Y'all want to admire my eyes while I do that Julia's Place. If you guys want to see that tutorial, want me to record that, whatnot. Don't have time to talk right now. I'm sorry. It's a text message. Anyway, so let's. Again, it's the doe foot applicator. I need my neck is so fat. It's so fat. Anyway, so let's see how that rocks. I don't know why the heck I moved them here. I ain't gonna lie, this needs to be a little bit darker for me. But no, I'm not gonna crap on it right off. Cause I still gotta put setting powder on top of it. So it is. I still can make this work. I still can make this work. I still can make this work. Yeah, my nose is freaking tricky, so tray that up in there. You got your girl nose smushed. So I'm not done. Still looks kind of rough, so bear with me. Give me a moment. Let me break out my contour kit. See what so zoom. And I like this brush. I actually got this brush is some Morphe nose contour brush. Yeah, and I like this freaking brush. Yeah, that's pretty much all I can say about it. I like that brush. Anyway, on to setting it. I'm just setting it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Second thought, I mean, it works. I don't want to go, you don't want to go too dark and then like a darn dunny, you know what I mean? All right. Throw shade up underneath that lip. Ah. All right. So, let me just set everything with my my Sasha Buttercup. Excuse my voice. I've had this for quite some time. Oh, sorry. Back in with my beauty blender. I don't bake, you guys, because I already got weird dry skin, so I ain't about that baking. I do not bake. That's so against, I don't say against my religion. I ain't even bring religion into this, but yeah. Oh my God, man, I'm sorry. This is pretty darn good. I mean, can you guys see the way that blended out pretty like seamlessly? Like, I'm sorry, Tarte Shape Tape, I ain't coming back. I'm done with you. I'm done. Like, I'm all the way done with Tarte Shape Tape. It's just no coming back for me. But let me get on to this nutmeg. Don't want to hold you guys up long. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'll make a comparison to this and my MAC powder in the shade dark. So look at the size. Look at the sizes of these. These are about the same price. I can't remember how much I paid for this, but look at the size. $32, and I'm thinking $32. This one only has 9.5 grams of product versus the Fenty Beauty 28 grams. 28 grams of product you're getting for $32. If you use all this up, you got a problem. But whatever, that's your business. I'm not even gonna get into that. So another thing that comes with it, you get a syllable sifter. So this goes on top. Once you actually open it, it seals in your powder, which I think is so dope. All right, so let's open it up. It's opening. I'm such a nerd. All right, so like I said, it's got that sifter top, so we just want to bring a little bit out. Oh God, my nose is, excuse me, y'all. I just want to see, because I hate, like I said, I hate a freaking, I hate a dewy finish face. I mean, it's got to be summer maybe for me to have a dewy finish face, and I don't even really like it then. Oh man, I'm talking about feeling like a dream, you guys. It feels soft. It feels very soft. It's got a great smell to it. Oh my God, the smell to it is awesome. So, you know, if you're about smells, it does have a smell to it, but it's not an overpowering smell. And I'm just gonna pop my little cap on it, and it's got a little thing you can just pull it off. But cause I'm gonna be traveling with mine. Most of you girls gonna be traveling. But you know, that's it. That is all I have to say. I'm gonna go ahead, and I've got concealer in my LuLaRoe leggings. So, excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna honestly have to give these concealers, they got a 9 for me. Reason being, the shades are endless. There's a shade for every man, woman, girl out there. Woman, color, women of color, men of color. Your shade is out there, boo. Like, most definitely, our shades are out there, and I'm so ecstatic from all this. The reason I'm not giving it a full 10 I don't like the smell. The smell is not pleasant. I would have thought it would have had a little bit more perfume smell. This right here, G, this a full on 10. It does not feel heavy when you're applying it. Very nice smell and a lot of product for your money. Like, you can appreciate it. It's a lot of product for your money. 29 grams of product for $32 compared to all these other makeup brands out here that charge about the same amount or more for little to no product. No. Who really wants to pay that? But anyway, yeah. This is my honest opinion. Y'all already know I got the foundation over there. I'm bummed with the foundation. I love the foundation. It's good. Anyway, leave a comment down below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you guys feel. Will you be going out to get these products or not? Let me know. Let me know if you already have tried them and how you feel about them. Anyway, I gotta go. Thanks you guys so much. I love you, Glamettes, and be safe out there and enjoy your day. Bye.